And Farm Beauties, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my Gua Sha routine with you guys, just showing you guys how I utilize Gua Sha in my morning routine. My face is already washed, serum, moisturizer, all that. If you don't know what Gua Sha is, I have a full video on Gua Sha, how to do it, all that. I will leave that above. Gua Sha is a technique where you use a tool and you pretty much like scrape the muscle. A lot of great benefits as far as like lifting the face, circulation, relieving any tension. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started. First, I always use an oil before I Gua Sha. It just gives a nice slip to the skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply just a little bit of oil to skin. So when I Gua Sha not just my face but also my neck. Now I do have two different size Gua Shas. This one is a small one and this one is just a bigger size of the smaller one, and these both are rose quartz. Now Gua Shas do come in different stones, even they have metal ones, different material. When it comes to both sizes, I like to use the smaller one for like more like little nooks and stuff, like around the eye area, but the bigger one I grab for more because I can do my whole face with it. It doesn't really matter for me the size on it because I can still use like the little grooves like around the eye area. I'm going to utilize both of them for this video, so we're going to use the bigger one, and the bigger one I'm going to use for my lower face. I always start from my neck moving up. And so you just find a ridge, okay, and for example you always want to move upward when you are Gua Shaing. So I'm just going to take a ridge, and you want to take your time, okay, and you just want to slowly do it. Now when you are doing this, angle it. I see some people actually go like this, like flat on the face. I think that also possibly could work, but when you angle it at a degree, I feel like you get more of like, I don't know, more of a scrape. It's important to take your time when you're doing this too. Like you just kind of breathe and relax into the Gua Sha. When it comes to the smaller one, there's so many little nooks on here, but you can find like for the under eye area right here, and I just look up and I just draw it all the way up. And you don't have to put a lot of pressure, you just put a little bit of pressure, and I will tell you guys the cooling of this feels really good. So you just go over your eye a couple of times, and then I'm going to go to the other side. And that is my Gua Sha tutorial. That's how I Gua Sha in the morning time or at night. Just make sure you also do your research on how to use these before you start using them, because you don't want to like poke into the skin or anything like that. Ow. You want to make sure you are being very gentle with this tool, but it has a lot of great benefits. I will link my other videos to the Gua Sha tool that I've did other videos on if you guys have a little bit more information. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.